Back again Friday. Sisters, namhlanje ngibambile emawashini akayenzani. No, today we're talking about training stories. Now this episode we're talking about training stories from our location and abroad outside our location. Sisters, I can't greet you again. I already did. Ama training stories are like us. Ngizwe ukuthi bathi namsengezona. Ngivele lona upastor
DJ Sabi.
DJ
Sabi.
No, DJ bazongitshela ngaba DJ
Ngani ngibe ngisikhuluma ngaye.
Pastor Paul, he passed away.
Yeah, shame you, that's it.
I heard he passed away. Why you say it's sad? Other people are happy when I would say.
Because he passed away, there's nothing exciting ukushona komuntu.
No, other people they are happy.
Yeah, I'm not other people then.
Other people are happy, other people are sad. Man, there are stories about him now. Hey, yabona impilo naye.
Mara why lama stories sawavela nyana kumbe
bewakhona before. Before you don't know his stories.
Bathini? Athini bona.
Bazomshaya mara kahle ikhulu. No, there are stories about him. Bantu divorce bantu emshadweni wabo abashadisa and allegedly.
Uba divorceisile?
Yeah, allegedly.
Allegedly.
So there are stories ukuthi pastor walala nemfatwa some other guy wala lokishini. I want to mention his name.
Same church member or youngest church member?
Church member. Nguyena bashadisile. Yes.
Yeah, that's
Mawuzi lo muntu base Mr. Rere. Clorere. Yeah, allegedly. Hear me? Allegedly. You don't know the story? Yeah.
I went to Alliance.
Yes.
My sister-in-law, umfata putwa ngokuqala. Vele bakhulele Alliance namane batali bakhe basonde Alliance. So benginokuhamba nawo to visit here and there mara bengayi kakhulu.
Okay.
So mangifika lapha bengimbona kushumayela. That's why bathi looks can be deceiving. Bengibonela mfundisi lo right.
Yeah.
Yabo and judging by her daughter Phindile. Yabo she turned out well. So bengibonela babe lo kahle but vele wonke umuntu unema skeletons hey. Wonke umuntu unekwaba.
Because they say their divorce is caused by him.
The fact that baphingile or ubafostele ukuthi bahlukane.
No, if mina now we shadiswa Mr. who do you call him? Pastor Poke. So allegedly vakala ukuthi wena ulana na Pastor Poke and ngathi kube nema proof.
Oh,
you get what I'm saying? Yes. It became like that. Yeah, allegedly. Because even namanje but even when
and speaking of which say yabuya out bemsebenzini and this other guy wanginiki lift wakhona ngekhaya.
Yeah.
Beba ngifika vele lapha emotweni bakhuluma ngaye. I think
Pastor Poke.
Pastor Poke. I think it's the day washona ngalo or lelanga lekwavakala ngalo.
Last week.
Last week.
Oh, sebangcwabile ne?
Yo, last week. Yeah, I think it's last week.
Those last off okay.
Yeah, last week I think. So ngina mabakhuluma ngizimile mina indzaba yakhe ukuthi ushonile ngayivela lapha emotweni cala kwami bengakayibona.
Okay.
Sengisimile phokuma sebasho Alliance nje sengisimile how shame ushonile. The reaction was the very same reaction nawo longinike yona. Uzozwela ukuthi shame anibajabulile.
Yeah, people are here.
And unfortunately besentowehla I couldn't understand ukuthi why but babe happy yabo.
Yeah, other people are happy. Other people are sad. That's how life is.
Okay, nalaba happy nalaba ba betray basically.
Yes. And then allegedly he was going through a divorce. Allegedly. Yes, they say.
Naye madam ubeka some divorce.
I don't know who's been divorced but he was divorcing. She was divorcing him.
Ushone seba divorce.
Yeah, not the way in like a court
process.
Yeah, process of court divorcing. So not he couldn't manage the divorce.
Mine nako kabasa divorce still Mrs.
Yeah, so divorce for life.
Still Mrs. Poco.
So you see why in razor I would say if it's true, but I don't think it's not true. Would say the Rockman Kulma they can talk about something like this why it's not true.
Yeah.
You understand?
And also there's
and the Mulumza.
Yeah.
Why is in pain? So it tells you one thing sometimes would say si patangel Bible. Ukhohlakele
ukhohlakala
yes, you understand? So ubhatla ngelibhayibheli mawulethe into
yes, deceive.
You understand? So like
And uyabona ukuthi bebamane basola labafundisi bokuchamuka.
Nabo banjalo lapho.
Nalaba la sho banjalo.
Yes.
Nengoba bona bethu. Asikhona lokubajaji.
So I think even nayo le ministry le Bible ekufundisa iBible. I think now you need to go another time motive ngathi le mizwa say uhambe nje ngathi bangamixa sama nje go for counseling nabo konke because nema temptations la. There are many temptations. We are humans at the end of the day. There are temptations that are out there and nyalo futhi like nyalo futhi truly speaking na abantu abaningi bayathwala. That's one thing I can share. Abantu abaningi bayathwala.
Nalenye into and kuna this okay talking about the stories.
Yes.
Allegedly.
Yes.
He slept with the wife.
Yes, allegedly. Yeah.
We don't know what happened between the two of them. What if the wife seduced him?
Yes, that's what I'm saying. Yes, that's what I'm saying.
Because
temptations are there.
Yeah,
temptations are there.
Like, maybe we're going to let
yeah, we don't know.
We don't know.
We don't know. Yeah,
eventually,
we don't know
about.
About the simulation.
It's man now. He's a pastor. He should.
Yeah, and they say if a person like this one ending with the finale, he needs to step down.
Exactly.
You understand? So he needs to step down. But if you're not step down, it means something. Why not step it down? Don't it means solo he's the one likafune kuyendelela. Ngiyabutha ngathi.
Yeah,
because once this guy used to go to the church, afika hlala phambili esontweni so. Ambuke straight emehlweni ungakhona preacher wena.
You're brave naye. Qhubeka preacher ben.
No. Oh, what's when asakhona preacher?
Wena wakhona njani?
Yeah, ngathi
allegedly ukuthi lo myemlwane phela akagcini abakagcini ngokucheat kwethu to their partners. Bamotional emindini.
Yeah, they
labantwana sefuna babukane njani esonweni.
They destroy everything.
But destroy konke.
Yeah, the Grootman, it was a Grootman le besihlonipha Mr. Rere and from that time azange abe umuntu lokuthi uyambona ukuthi mentally
and he was a bubbly person.
He was not stable from that time. From that incident, ne?
Wena ungaba njani? Yabona phela yabona umuhle budotsa.
Yeah, I don't know because us as men budotsa bethi bona ngireflecta la kubo if uhamba nana bathi make ngiyone.
Yeah, funa ukubona if usebona make ngiyone ashama vosho ngalaba bamlimpompo boy.
Yeah, no. So you mix it
no, ego, self-esteem. Mentally, emotionally.
So yabona ukuthi yena makakhonile kumosha umshado webantu mase kufuna kuphelelwa kwakhe umshado ngakhona kumelana nalo, it means something else. Don't it means cruel yena? Why kumelana nalo? Because yena befuna amelane naye because he knows.
Uyazi usugamile,
so is one of the things ngihlale ngibuta abantu mamba podcasts interviews. You can be a Jesu because you know more about the Bible because Jesu afela abantu ngoba fela abantu lasi no ngifumane into esigahle le preacher yona yikho.
Yeah, must
preach into lo ngeke yeah, but angeke uvume kufela abantu come on.
Ini Jesu bayangalane bafanele ba. Bangazami ngathi. Bona ukuthini abapreacher live la uNkulunkulu bangazami
imitator.
Ngoba bona phela sebafuna ukuphila vele esiJesu ngathi that's why masikwenda kanti into soze bese siyabajudge.
Yeah, we religious then, yeah.
Because vele uthi akafuna isijajani mara ngesikhathi singajudge.
Lento ngishayela ukuthi there are some steps when you take them. You self-introspection.
Enough. Yeah.
You understand? Before uqala ukuthi uyotenda because uyena ngenxa ukuthi kunemali lapha.
That's why there was this story besidlala sesiphelile. Ngiyawusidlala ama repetition ukhokha.
Okay.
Angadumbuza wena besidlala kwa-6 siportray kakhulu isonto lemaJudiya.
Okay.
Into lebengichaza ngalabafundisi labaya ukuthi uma banekuthatha some time off away from their family, away from the church, baye esigangeni.
Okay.
Nakafika esigangeni ufaka lithende wena uhlala lapha for a couple of days. Uyathandaza, uyafasta, uyacula ini. Coming to lento lokhuluma ngayo ukuthi you need to be mentally stable, emotionally, spiritual.
Because my temptations are there. I know my temptations are there.
Everywhere.
Yeah, I understand. And afika ngale nto loyithandayo. Ngafuna ukuthenza. Afika ngale ngithandayo. Some other time being busy fasting and everything. And wafika intombi living you understand? So yeah, understand. So it's how temptations are they're there, and we're human. Yeah, we're human, and you can't say mina nginje. The moment you speak out, the more the temptations come.
Yeah.
You understand? Yeah, mina ngeke. Don't say mina ngeke. Keep it for yourself. You understand? Keep it for yourself.
Nalento yema vows. Angibowasho kahle lama vows ngoba ngiyo la senda phela yathi ukuthi mina ngalala na 15 ebafana.
Yeah.
I don't owe anyone any loyalty. Angizange afungela umuntu umveli ngoba perfect. Lothanza wena kuphela. No. But when it comes to marriage, you made an oath. Phambi kwamfundisi laphambi koNkulunkulu laphambi kwemndeni. Yeah, wafunga wathi wena mina ngithanza wena wedwa.
Through thick and thin.
Lo thick basho lama temptations.
Kusho lomunye ngikhahle bese ngibale nje bese ngipastor Porsche. Bese ayipastor Ntaka Porsche. Yamadoba thanza kukhuluma kakhulu criticize iBhayibheli kakhulu. Ntaka Porsche. Ayish umlandzeleli kakhulu isikhathi. Akhuluma about Limpopo Boy. Athi angibadi mina labantu bethu both of them Limpopo Boy nalento. But into engifuna ukutshela yona ukuthi nafunga atshela lo husband yakhe. Ukuthi bafunga ukuthi niye
divorce. That's why leminye imindeni they don't believe in divorce and divorce vele.
So
amanelala emakamereni lahlukile mara kude lophuma.
Another thing it cause ama divorce kakhulu is because isiko lethu alisale lithi vele sina asaloboli phela thina umshado wethu umlobola.
And if ulobole uticetse ngoba safuna 15 uthi keep a door.
Funa kwenteke le lo msimeto wamalobola. So nyalo siyashada.
Nyalo.
Shama what we do. That's the reason vele kutobona ngabreakup.
Siyakakamela siwetitation.
And awutati wena first. Yabona if ungatati wena kulula ukuthi unhlanhlanze. Ngikhula ekhaya abangitsheli ngemasiko abangitsheli ngako konke nanani ngihamba ngeuniversity ngifike euniversity ngithola intombi sengifuna kushada. Yeah. Angiyathi intombi lokuqala ngiyathi nekuzitshele
six months long
nothing le nanani.
And then you know, I really do admire white people. Bantu belungu bayakhona kuhlala nebantu ababo bachazela.
No, belungu into eningisho batenda in front of.
Yes, mina nababo wakho si go through this and ngiyitho into lefuna tisakhe lethi ukuthi no mase ngishadile nami ngikhumbula ukuthi no my mother went through this wangitshela so vele yabona into lebanga evow evow something.
No, if ithando lingekho ekhayini emndenini akusilula ukuthi uyothanza komnye umuntu. If ungaboni mama wakho nababa wakho bahlala kanye bathanzana my siblings ngithanzana banifundise lelithando landini kulula vele
and funa balwe vele funa kuliwe funa kube nema ups and downs ukuze sibone ukuthi are they gonna stand for them or ayabathilile.
Yeah, I understand. So
mara yabona in life yabona situation at Limpopo Boy.
What's happening in Limpopo Boy? And I like very much clip but I'm not sure.
Yeah, na ku statement sakhe se apology uthi yena Limpopo Boy beyangadi ukuthi Mathilizo is married.
Okay.
Yena uthi bonele intombi.
Okay.
Questions came flocking in with okay bongadi ukuthi ushadile. What was the video about?
Did they show themselves very doing?
No, Limpopo Boy was playing with the video that I saw.
Oh, okay.
Limpopo Boy was playing with
Kelly
bekangabonakali but bekubonakala
in
half of her body.
Okay.
Angathi lelenye cause angadumbi ayingathi lama video but mina ngiyibonile.
But
sewavela nale vaseline la eceleni.
Oh, baba yithi erumini. Oh, okay.
So kuthi iphume yabona nyalo seba wanga skomot. Yabona entertainment industry is not fair. Skomot wathi ngokulika kama no offense.
Mara mawucabanga wena Limpopo Boy ngene skomot ifoni. Nje mawubuya maseli.
Mawucabanga wena skomot angaliki video.
Noma sikomota
sebafuna ifall guy.
Sikomota if ngabe kobona le video yabo bathi bathi sikomota sikomora yena yabo manje sikomota
mara uyabona impilo mina yabona le situation ya Limpopo Boy okay yona inebufani nyana inebuhlungu nyana mina lokungifundisile ngayo ukuthi yonke into lo yendaba dendela wena lesisho bebangadlali nobasho njalo yena bekazama ukuhlabekisa mjida ngisho athula yamjida kwendeke ngaye Adidas pulled out.
Adidas iphume out kuLimpopo noNomatani.
Nomatani ludume ngangani? Nangimad lo Mercedes. Even nale husband angiyathi nethi sengibona le Thithombe lo Shayi wakhona. The Shayi family angibadi vele mina. Limpopo Boy Adidas pulled out, world tour cancelled. Nema ngani bekafundisa abantwana jive. Nebatali labanye they were starting to pull out bit by bit. So yabona baqinisile bathi inyoni indizele etulu mara manje phasi.
And you see sometimes madodza lamaningi lawawo nyana, even no more chicken madlanga, women are there.
Yeah.
Bafati
mina enhlale ngisho ukuthi a man's fall,
a downfall of
a man
is a woman.
Has a woman in it ngiyakutshela. Not because ukuthi ngikhuluma so ukuthi ngivumelana naso ngisho that, but in most cases la kwento yakhona kuwa khona indoda mfati uphakathi yena nje. Okay, futhi and mina I understand ukuthi why bathocharisha Limpopo Boy. Limpopo Boy is not married. He doesn't owe anyone loyalty. Munde befuna bamsole la ngene nguye lophuma emshadweni wakhe.
Dosi bamsola ukuthi ngathi the way bakhuluma khona ngathi bakhuluma ngathi vele Limpopo bekade lo muntu eshadini.
Mina ngalendlela ngiyibone ngakhona mangibukele video. He knew exactly what he was doing. Limpopo Boy. Ivideo utithathele yena. Uthathelani ivideo? Uyadada ukuthi wena public figure. Wena akazange wafunza ngamalusigigaba.
Mfethu.
Imagine
this thing was in your mouth. Come on.
It's not. It's
you know there's something clear go through those things and kwafika lenye clip elomyendo but what's no. Limpopo Boy, he knows very well that whatever he was doing,
exactly.
If that thing was a ritual, I said, huh? This thing was a ritual, because they can't give you fame and our demand anything in return.
Yeah, that's true.
What's in this person? Then they show and then nema deal pull it out, but nema deal already.
Yeah, already. Yeah, bakhona lebale baphakathi. Bakhona.
Already nema deal ngenile after lama deal phumile.
And angeke umangale seba inavaseliso yamfuni.
Uthi ngasukhona mfana. You understand? So but nema deal pull it out, but nema deal ngena.
Yeah.
So this thing yabona that's why makhala phasi uhleli phasi, that's why lenye into uma utilalela ngathi utsayi ubuhleli kuphi nebantu. Hlala phasi ubuye masensisi wakho uthi ngahle kuliqiniso lokho, ngahle kungasiliqiniso. You understand that?
Mara i-problem iyoba ekuthenini lo lokungenako or lo sengene already doesn't amount what you've lost. Adidas is big. It's an international brand. Well, to lo muntu ngathi bekahamba 12 countries internationally. Phela beka fully booked from, I think it's from first week of September to last day of December or first week of January 2027.
It's one of the things that you would see sometimes if you want a fame, you don't know the consequences of the fame.
Yeah,
because there are things that never that things there's not that about the fame or what. You just look at the fame and say this person is famous, but you don't know.
Yeah.
Look at the boy in the video. Tell person Jimashiro. There's a clip idlala ngathi 16 minutes bekaende ku live yakhe ya ku Instagram. Expose abantu. Expose lenzaba yase Nigeria.
Bahamba eNigeria.
Kani Nigeria waya lo mfana bamshiya Nigeria ukuthi bamshiya lena
Oh yeah.
That video
nani.
Yes, ne video le be trend nana, I think it's a month or 2 weeks, 4 weeks back, 3 weeks back. Akhuluma ukuthi kunabantu ba-Illuminati and everything. Ababala abantu ukuthi abala allegedly abala futhi ngithi allegedly because ukhulume ngokuthi Jay-Z nguye lo babulala bompura nanani wasekhaya.
I heard about it. Video wakhuluma ngabe athi lo Jay-Z.
Wakhuluma ngalabanye athi khona lamanye lenye out ngathi i-colored nyana ingene in lapha kule live kwangena lenye out i-dark nyana. Bakhuluma lapha ukuthi yeah wena mfana ukuphi stota lapho nana stokubulala and everything like nje bakhuluma nje bekabahlambalata
and angaba sakhona.
You understand? So it tells ukuthi lapha kule game abala bo Scott ukuthi abana akusikwabo konke lokuyana nanani nje abala like was exposed.
Bakhuluma so
this guy
ngani ngocale kwashona iBignas, ngocale kwashona
Armasheshe.
kwalandzela amapitch seledinji sebantu sebathatha lokufa kwana bakwethu bakubuyisela ngala kudinji and you may never know.
So vele there's something nekuzivela ngeke bayikhonde but there's something in fame. Yeah, there's something in fame. So
and ububuka labantu lo muntu uma aba famous kuthi uvu.
Yeah.
Ne downfall yakhe
is vu. Yeah.
Konke kuyenteka fast.
Yes. So that's the reason but there's a ritual of end. If you don't do it, you go down. Yabona naye lo mfana ukuthi basilena befuna wenda lelo na ungathi waphikisa.
Yeah, loji.
Lo Chimashiko.
That's why nyalo say.
Sikupapa.
Mara uthengise ngemphefumulo. Ngamaningi usebenza she.
Uthi ngalena kunebantu lebathi bashonile ngalaba baphila.
Bashone ngale baphila ngala.
Bashonile ngala baphila ngale. Kusho lo mfana uyasho boyilalela le clip bomlo. Madam must know this guy. Lo mfana khona likhulu ekubonini. He's traumatized.
Yeah,
he's traumatized ulimele. So because bathu ya allergy bathu ya pema and everything.
The next.
So
and very emhlabeni kunjani makhuluma iqiniso ngezinto otibonile. Abantu ba accuse of some things.
And ibuke kahle lento le. Lo mfana makakhuluma into yakude namunye article. Bonke police bathule du. Maka expose ukuthi bakhohlakele bak illuminate and everything. And you see I always tell mangina linda masikhuluma ngithi linda ka believe vele le into le. Ngithi there's a nani masayini bakutshela ukuthi abanye banyalo basekudumele sign le nyamakhe bathi uyayenda le mvala abanye lomunye abeke something umende sona yabo lomunye into sona kuma namalo masayini many celebrities bakwena nithi wende sona something nje so all those times are out there.
Nithi
nasinalo well and kakhulu ba like lona la ku Instagram abantu abaningi baqwele Ay, Limpopo boy, hey, no, sorry to you, my brother.
Limpopo boy, utofunza shena, utofunza, lethi ngoba lokuhlungu ukuthi yalo bantu abangangalicala sebathola amachaphatelo. Vele yasikomoda imvise ebuhlungu. Why kubo bonke basikhoda sikomoda?
Angiboni ukuthi uyevele bangambeka lula.
Hayi, bangabugulela sikomoda. Yena beka kusikomoda makashuthele video.
Bathi babaleke sikomoda ifoni, bebadlala ngathi PlayStation allegedly.
Ifunani le video lapha efonini. Ifunani. Uyani video
of
your own thing. Why are you taking a video of your own thing? Because uyakholelwa uyibona noma ngabe kunini la uThanzini. Noma uya toilet uyakochama uyadibonela, noma uyageza uyadibona, noma uyakolala. It's yours.
Ne yabo emthini usu live. Ngoba lo uyachama sokhohliwe soshutha. Yabona that's why lesinye isikhathi mawuzoqala ubona ukuthi uba big ne ngathi i-social media yakho bangarun live wazowasho na play cough ngathi atshila ngathi ngibani nje this guy Scott Maphuma biza kakhulu manje nomsana ngathi bangamuka le phone ikontrane le social media yakhe because so uqala ku
nana lady appeal
naledi
nesengiyasho yakhumbula ukuthi naye nje vele unethi iphone vele yamhlula nalento yokuthi yabona I wish everyone was so professional to a point ukuthi uma udad ukuthi vele uyi-public figure ma-trolls ayoba khona vele whether you like it or not shoza noda khona khambe uresponda kubo bonke lamanje I think Fisa Nandima Dida. I so love that lady.
Mara Nandima Dida, truly speaking, yena vele nagu ina zix bantwini. Dingan titortabo man, le petsago.
Impilo yabo i-private. Yafana nalamizi na khulishana. Ifuna kube yatindo ngathi ngahlale ayilento yokuthi every day ufuna sifunze ngani ukuze sekwendeke.
Bazamile ngathi bambheshanyana nyalo nandi khathi ayetwe podcast ya bathi ngibamanje. El Tido, yeah, khuluma ngemadoda and everything nana bambhesha bathi wazange yaphelele emoyeni nje.
Bekakhuluma iqiniso.
Yeah, so yabona yabona those two couples bude umuntu ngafisa kufana nabo. And bengithi bo Black Coffee nalo abantu nalo.
Bebangeke sekunelwimi likhaliphe kakhulu. Yeah, unelwimi.
Yabona Black
Coffee. Enhle. Hayi enhle unelwimi.
Yakhuluma ne?
Yabona angithi indoda yakho uyishade uyadi ukuthi ayinasandla. Phela ayikuthi Black Coffee uwamthola nitadla diphelele. Umshade vele beyangasona sandla. Nyalo mase sene divorce wena so umthuka ngalo usitshela kuthini?
It's one of the things engikhuluma ngathi ukuthi I like nami ngilento lekuthi mangihleli la endlini ne because I see la ngiyakhona ne is one of the things ukuthi masengilapha akufeka ngikhohlela ngibuya khona and kufuna ngibe nalama guidance lenginawo nyaka
exactly
ngawashiya emuva, you understand?
burning bridges.
So bo enhle is one of the things ukuthi bekufuna babe nalabantu labo ukuthi makarana le divorce and everything bamguide bathi no enhle sicela ukurana mhlambe lona, you understand? Nje uvume lesinye isikhathi admit for the sake of peace, you understand? Because allegedly ngathi Black Coffee ngathi wamtshela usele ngathi ufisa kuba nemfato omunye ngale abengene ngale because ngathi khona lapho nganokuhamba naye nebantwana ngale nanani everything allegedly, I'm not sure
bekanokuhamba vele ngoba besibona ama-post.
So but truly speaking it's highly impossible ukuthi lo muntu angadate. It's highly impossible.
Yena ka date.
It's highly impossible. And no, even that time we took bashadile. This guy who big, everyone is falling for him.
Ukhulumela imini mangithi yena akacheat. Angithi vele Black Coffee uhambe vele bebasa together.
Yes.
Black Coffee beyangale naye beyangala. Yena beyenda ngala ngoba takathi kaveli. Abantu bakhohlakele phela.
Yeah, inkinga ngile.
Nami ngimfandi mara nese ngiyasho nje ukuthi yena so ufuna ukugcama ngalomjida and ugcama in a wrong way allegedly njengoba beyafuna ukuthatha a second wife. Maybe wahlala phansi naye wamcela.
We don't know. Yeah, we don't know because it's one of the things ukuthi us as people or as men or as women siyaqala sadate ne must date. I don't have I got nothing, now you got nothing. We grow up together but now I'm more motivated and I'm big the more ngithandazela you fast whatsoever ngiyalobola, you understand? Sekiba big me and ngiyabona ukuthi ngaba nebutofika kumbe that thing vele of loneliness mawungale if ngiyohlala 2 months ngale
uyohlala nabantu and ujwayele ukuthi uhlala nemuntu
onedeli and nebantwana mhlambe le lifestyle ngale abayikhona beyangalaye kumbe ngale kumbe before mina ngiyobathatha ngihlale nabo ngale kufuna ngicale nami ngi-adopt lifestyle ngale ngibona le mali ukuthi ibakhona wena ungala ngene njani then kusi ngikutshele liqiniso ukuthi mina inyalo ngicabanga kume baby
mina upload him if akwendile lo
ngiyabekisa okay no angakakwendanga but nangu umuntu uyafika ku approach as sister say phela mina ngalena nginokubalunga senda njani
but what if nangithi mina nami ngala ngibalungi senda njani?
That's the problem because ngelo le government esiniwethi ukuthi is going to be 50-50.
Mara angeke wena expect ukuthi you're going to be living abroad overseas, take another wife and expect me to wait for you while when your life is moving on.
That's the thing. That's the thing.
Mina ufuna ngihlale kumele wena. It's not fair.
Ngila sekucala khona ukuthi ngila kuwena sombona so ngoba sonemali so ukhuluma nento leyo. You understand?
Yena ngani and la kwesikhona into lebhlungu. Bekungcono ngabe bebashadile banganabantwana sebanebantwana if labantwana bayova makwabo athi ya kokucala unasandla uyabona ukuthi this thing is not only about hurting the partner but unalabantwana uyabalimata engcondweni ngibabo wabo after all divorce lo divorce ngibabo wabe egcine konke so that's why it's like into
is one of the things because it's slimatong system le yanyana ukuthi women can do as a man. So ukuthi nemfati nyala ngathatha 2 bafati kumbe 2 madoda so it's something else, you understand? So I think it's one of the things ukuthi ngcono naye athi lona ngcono siyekela. I don't know ukuthi decision yakho ibe njani but I don't think Black Coffee ukuthi bekafisa naye ukuthi I'm sure just like that.
They build
and you can tell ukuthi even if noma anaye lo umfati lekanaye yena ntombazane uyabona ukuthi akashadi so akamshadi, you understand?
Ngabe ushade ekudzala
ngabe happy,
happy nayo nema regrets
angiyahlala ngabe nema regrets but lama ema regrets leka into omela ukuthi angabuyeli back ngilo those things that mhlambe leka shito enhle nayo ekashito ngiyabekisa
ukuthi enhle sokukhuluma ngayo
so enhle kuba enhle allegedly uhamba udate nemuntu oshadile waba mfado wesi2 befuna bemfado wesi2 ngabe befuna mteke but ngathi azange kwendeke but uhlulekile kumelana nalento leto marriage yakhe.
You know why? That's because she is entering in another woman's marriage. She doesn't want her marriage to be entered. Inkinga ngile ukuthi yena kulula kuye ngoba uyohetha lomnye mfana lo mfati ufuna amukele bani amukele enhle yena kuye it was difficult for ukuthi yena amukele lo munye sibafati vele
selfishness lesinye isikhathi nawo
mana mina ngihlale ngisho if i-situation ingakujabulisi phuma
yeah but manje yathi lesinye isikhathi it depends on the situation ukuthi ngiphi engakujabulisi and because ngiyalo sendela futhi imali ukhumbula the situation ekujabulisi but there's money there and it is lifestyle. So the situation ayijabulisi and yedwa umuntu utothini kuwe le nto musangiyeni in front of your eyes and angiyeni ngemali yakho vele kuba buhlungu ukuthi uma umuntu uqhamuke naye from le phansi yeah kuba buhlungu vele and accept lula because lo muntu okutshela ukuthi why ngoyikhuluma nga first time start date mina nawe ukuthi wena ngahle ufise kuba nemfati one day in future. But now it was in your plan.
Yes, and another thing, when it comes to okay, mina ngikhule batali bambe bangana mali.
Yeah.
Mara batali bambe banginikele ithando nabo ngibabona ukuthi bathandzana. That's why mina ngakhona kujona nemfana wasebenzi. I can't date a guy longasebenzi.
Guys,
because it's about love. Give me it's about love. Ngokuthandza umuntu. Ayikho into lebuhlungu njengokuthi uyolana umuntu ongamthandzi. Because intimacy it should be about affection. It should be about feelings. Funa kube ngilo wena uyoyendana nemuntu longamthandzi longamfeel. Sefuna ingqondo yakho icabange lo munye while unalo nawe emoyeni kuyakulimala lo. So meaning I prefer love than money. Imali namhlabeni vele sonke sophasishi and enhle angathi ukhayela in cause now she's making her own money.
Yeah, but yena kuphuma kwakhe kulo bhuti lona before nganyela ngathi uyinile case she wasn't making that much because the bhuti ngathi bekamfuna as a housewife allegedly. So ngasinyala mara ngathi ugcina uyinile case.
Mara besides even if ngabe uyiluzile bhuti uyabanakeke abona into lebalekile la kubo kwethu bantwana.
No ngathi
the kids are taken care of.
Yena ngathi bekakhalela ukuthi ugcine yena ngeke lisethe mhlawumbe bengidenda but ngibe housewife. Kanye na uma aqedza so you understand.
Utoqhubeka
mhlawumbe yena if ngabe uthe aqhubeke into kwafuna ukukwenda noma athatha lo umuntu kazi yona impilo yakhe suyaqhubeka enhle ngani nayo uyakhona kwenda namagigi. That's why yakho umbona bamixa ukuthi bam expose phela lapha bebamdlaparala. Yabona ukuthi ama guidance wakhe bekangekho kahle ukuthi naye she was doing namnyala
namsengiyena.
Yabona lo muntu bam actisa naye lapho ukuthi baya ukuthi nje bamehlisa sithunzi mfethu.
Abona
Yeah, those people sometimes they think they will build you and back destroy.
And then they came to destroy you.
Yeah, betting on my bomb, basbala cold. You understand? And the boy no matter winner the case was fuck off. I think it's 100 and something million. The call for not saying
yeah, boy, remember you vacation. Yeah.
Tatama chance.
Maravelu tatama chance. I know what tatashem.
I know this.
Marandi mancane kakhulu.
So but kubhlungu the first love yakho the first marriage yakho uthi iphele just like that. I think very nayo mhlambe coffee nayo into lokunye usinemela usangashadi nanye.
Yeah ulimela. Phela divorce iyanidla nobabili.
Yeah ngihla.
Noma ngeke ize wena ndodze kudle kakhulu but and imali ngeke izimthengele peace ngeke izimthengele love noma ngaba nayo ibe
yeah, we can see them every day baposta bashoota nanani but
yeah
yabona uyafisa ukuthi naye ngabushoota nabantu abakhe
nebantu abakhe same picture njengoba bebenda vele
before you understand but nale life yo exposure man shoota nayo it's another life in its own.
That's why he's been landima dida nendoda yakhe ngabathanzi
bare ukuthi bathola
and nakhona bashoota maybe event or brand or in abamanemani bashoota
uzowasho I don't know zesibantwini ngasi beka Khaya 99 I think 2 months ago ambidile ngikhohle ukuthi ngibani Thibo ngibani ambidile lapha nathi how mina expect ukuthi utata mfati wakho ngibidile mfathi my wife is someone else mfati wami singaplana ukuthi isikhulume from day before ukuthi kusasa siyonindelo so sambe nana kusasa athi ngiyavila lapha I can't go unjalo bathi unjalo vele ukuthi akabantu manaphume
maybe India unendo lemleza akabaphikisi ma-instinct
so uthi akasimuntu ukuthi uvela phuma vuthuwe just like that even nema-podcast ngiyamkhumbule ngarana ama-podcast engineer isikhathi ukuthi ama-guest afuna kuda athi angikho kana khona bathi unomuntu onjani
reserved
yeah bathi unomuntu onjani no kodwa mina ngisazi
I would love it just to Net kuthi ngimbhambe nje
Yeah,
soshayisana.
no,
Yo.
umuntu ngafisi, kude umuntu ngomthanda.
I would love to meet
Yeah,
ngiyamthanda Shem. Down to earth uphasi
Yeah,
imali
kude
bani.
umuntu ngomthanda.
And uyabona ukuthi naye phela njengoba athi phethe ngakhona manje. Uyabona indoda yakhe?
Yeah, na reserve.
Falling on the
Because
same path.
we never had ever since Zex a date and nani ukuthi Zex we cheat.
Noma
Never.
angakwenda.
But we never
Mara,
had.
we've never heard of it. It
Yeah.
was never out there njengabo Limpopo boy. Oh, vele na DJs ezinhle bampesha njani?
What's winning here?
Manje kune era bathini? Fan in what first in lona yakhe.
Angikwadi kuleta.
DJ ezinhle has konje bayibetha ngosini Nkosi yami.
Yini is an event.
Ngixolele mina ingcondwe yami isebenza kakhulu.
It's an event.
Yeah,
Mm.
it's an event.
Mm.
Like this item ya disiye ngathi bekuyi cowboy kumbe kuhlale kungiyo, I'm not sure.
Akusine mara lokho musibona singode eventually
Bengazi July yakhe uhlale yena vele
every year.
yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, yakhathi ase elonini bathi konje le nayikani bekayile tuwe
Is the nation first.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
the nation
Manje bekayile
first.
tuwe bathi konje tuwe podcast yakhe El Chido. Naye beka ukhulumile ngayo le event leyo. I remember ukuthi ne event yakhe abasifuna baqhoke nje ama cowboy. Ngivile ukuthi ukhulumile ukuthi there's an event letako lekhulu. Usibonakala lapha.
Beyinini. I think beyihlangana naye.
Ngombheshelana.
Bathi abakathanzanga le ndlela bayagcoka ngayo.
Beyagcoka njani?
Athi ngikubuke.
Beyagcoka njani? Beyagcoka snacks.
For a married woman,
Indaba ngeke asagcoka ngathi short sinema heels.
it wasn't a short. Bekuyi
Jumpsuit ngathi
kungathi kuyi body suit nyana.
Oh, they wanna fit into. Why not?
She's married. She's a mother.
Yeah, but she's married at home, not in the entertainment industry.
Mara.
But listen up here, sisters. People they're doing things for people in order for them to get money.
I know. I
So
know.
that's the thing. Ukuthi funa umuntu lomthatha ukuthi that's why man date na vele like le industry so. Listen isikhathi umuntu ngomcontrol.
Yeah.
Sometimes umuntu ngomcontrol because that person she will tell you ukuthi le mali leyo ngilethela lapha ngibhadala ngayo le bond esihlala kuyo. Lesinye isikhathi bona mawona mali. Utothini?
Yeah, bona vele.
You understand ukuthi kubhlungu ngoba utokutshela vele two words and now you will say you will swallow you swallow your words ukuthi hey qinisile. Well no it's off.
So we have
Yeah, it's off.
So
No,
right now.
no, it's off. But when it comes to money, people they do things for money.
No, like okay, I know
Because
people do things for
imali
money.
ingulunkulu tukela abanye abantu.
Yakuthini ngithembe ne. Ma-fan ayafana nemadoda. Indoda akudingi ukuthi uzuyigcokela ibhamu short ukuze ikuthanze noma ungashaya ngesiketi sakho lesifika le utokuthanza. Lo baze bampeshela ukuthi the people that were bashing Zindlu ngilebele lebatibeka echathulweni tamuda bongs. Uthi njengendoda yakhe uthini mfati wakhe agcoke so phambi kwe
because
mamiliyoni abantu.
Funa amtshela ukuthi sasungibangcoke so uthini wena. Ngani funa uphume nje
Mara nakhona kusanokwendeka ukuthi ngani indoor life ya private life yabo asiyazi sho kusekhona. Sanokwendeka maybe ngiyabekisa noma mjida angathi uyogcoka anyway because vele baqinisile ukuthi mfata angazabe nemali ngasikhathi endlini ugcine kuba ngilento leyo bebambheshela yona DJ Zindlu uthole muda bongisogcoka iskipa sa aka endlini ya DJ Zindlu kune portrait ya aka all in the name of Cairo.
Shano le out iyabeketela.
Ubeketelela
Bayasho siyabeketela truly speaking
even nalaba bathi personally bayasho ukuthi imoda uyabeketela ngalenye indlela. Angeke mina na usishadile. Sengisimine wena ugcoka skipa se my late baby daddy. What for? It doesn't make sense. Na futhi lo akabeke nyawo phasi mina ngeke uzungcoka soba simngcoka skipa se ex yomuntu wami. Hayi ngeke.
But mina into engicaka iwani ukuthi Musmela Bongs was on his peak before bamithana vele beka big naye side
Beka big ngelo konje beka ku Black Motion.
Beka big. I think Zindle she was having money than him. You understand?
At that time.
Yeah, even Nanyara, yeah. I think allegedly because ngathi abahlala khona indlu ngathi yakhe no cherries nani.
Apparently they abazange bamove.
Ngagcina bahlala kazi.
Zazihle bahlala khona.
Mina into lengayibona ngathi Bongosela ngathi wayendela abadala bakhe indlu.
Yeah,
indeed. And ukhumbule into leyo ukuthi lona udo ngiyafika ngithola wenaustable uyangibona nami ngima pics nani mina ngine friendship yami nemngane wami lesichuba okay ngalindo siphusha sethu podcast understand mina sengiyaphuma mina ku podcast le lesikhuluma ngishare nale ngiyovula yami le different nani sihambisana nemfana
wena wasuka ama rumors phela
yabani
ngayo yona lenzaba yakhe nalo mfana Black Motion.
Yeah, they were many.
Apparently it was DJ Zinhle.
Yeah, something like that. And you want to because there's a clip lana made a bounce ngathi wathola iBlack Motion be DJ somewhere ngathi bekungena yena if I'm not mistaken. Badlala iring ngathi bathi ngobe iring. Singazi wakhala allegedly lapha wakhala lapha allegedly wakhala vele lapha stage. Yeah. Because why not? This person in understand? Say a woman take over to that thing. So we don't know that made a bounce when they after
yeah, what decided I was
but if I don't want situation is aka as we should do when I watch that wins our corner.
Akusithi ngoba kulimala wena ngwena ofako ngaphakathi
there's a stories naye akhe made about ukuthi uJordan emntwana esikole
university
because you can tell ukuthi akasi happy 100% endlini
exactly and utothothi lo mntwana se-university uyamhlonipha uyamnika inzawo yakhe as a man
angahlala ngamnika ndo yena unemali
nalo mntwana yeah I understand that mara bakhona labafati ukuthi banemali indlula amadoda mara still uyayadi indoda yakhe ukuthi indoda yami
you know why. Because then those are very tolerating nonsense. Net does ukuthi noma ingana mali yakutshela ukuthi
ngamane
ngihambe mina ngomjwayela and uyamdzinga and yabona umuntu akancane understand
and mina lokungivisa kuhlungu Asante umntwana wamuda bangusina DJ Zinhle Asante utokhula vele yena afuna vele naye amadi aka ngale ndlela konke yangakhona phela shokuthi ngabe aka bekaphila bekayobe empilweni Asante just because Asante have sister
yakhe uthona mawucabanga eke ngoba uyaphila mhlambe ngabe mhlambe bakadivosana
banazihle vele eke
nabongs
yakuthi into lenga understand sorry into lenga understand i1 DJ Zinhle vele somthatha kakhulu ku aka
yeah
ngazi ukuthi ushone basachugela phela umuntu ushone bahlukene kutsalo even le tinto DJ Zinhle yebo banemntwana ngiyaka understand lo even le tinto latenda ku DJ Zinhle naNadia nakhaya beyangatendi beyangatendi yena vele wena kakhulu shenge sezu too much usikhulumisa kabi ngalo ngebandi sekusikhulumile labanye bathi umdlisile lo mfana labanye bathi ena sesidothini ngale ndlela into yangakhona angaqala ngamuntu abonga usugcoka ilibruku nebuso ba DJ Zinhle neba Cairo neba Asante
phela DJ Zinhle is money than him. DJ Zinhle she's older than
him yes
so vele and icala segamini
than him I know mara angithi umsomile Asadi mara siyakuthi indoda ngene soma mfati sathi njalo okay
the story mama khuluma ngasi Zinhle ngaso wathi postela khona ngani bakile bayikhuluma
ukuthi wathi
wahlala neclubini thizeni ngathi bagcine bahlala bonke bahinga bonke wathi lo jazz nani efana nale bagcine kuba
yeah mara yabo mina ngilengithatha kakhulu Bunhle Bunhle vele wakhulumela mina we were friends
yeah no Bunhle
yeah who brave best couple bana pretty ugly best yathi na Bunhle naye ngilomunye impilo yakhe naye le bathi jayivela mugeli choreographer lapha ngathi akananzaba futhi nokuthi empilweni as long as yena jayiva
yo best couple
vele wakhulumela elokhu mina vele
why not ukhuluma iqiniso
ngoba and egcineni konke kwamsida ukuthi atisomele yena
ukonyera
bahappy njani banebantwana they are happy ngabe wathi tholela lokunye ngabe maybe kumravaza kwamdlela imali ngola impilo ningasquateli masenisoma
so what do you say about when there's a bash ya ngibanga nje Mr. Jazzy na ngibanga nje na Mac G kuthi uyakhumbula ngathi babheshana nje kancane so lo wagcine yena ngathi kuyiloba invite na Sol yena Mr. Jazzy ngathi wabita podcast yabo bhala bona babita yena nabaxoxa ngekede utile ngani nini last week and ngekhathela yakhuluma khona Mr. Jazzy ukuthi bathi mina ngasacrifice ngobukule bla 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 and lapha ungichaza ukuthi ngathi babe ne agreement ukuthi makabuya makacetha bona lapho kufuna bete podcast
exchange
meji waya ukukhuluma saye nakayi lapha ufuna ama followers ngaye allegedly that's what meji
mara meji wathi podcast yabani
ya uyilo waya yaku ngathi fresh wire yaku bese manje nje kwa manje manje ushama episode bo 3 hours bese manje lo meji basebenzisa ilona yakhe studio sakhe
ngubani kodwa
manje lo kapha lo manje
Luthanza Masudu
Dave man
David
Mashabela yeah why na Mashabela Metia but Metia is a boss of podcast yabo so unale pride leyo but I think when umfailile yeah Mr. Jazzy if it's true that yeah because Jazzy ukhulumile even na podcast yakhe uvabuhlungu vele
and angeke sakhuluma manga
yeah uvabuhlungu no
mara Metia is always bashing everyone yeah bekala na Julius Malema Metia have stored
that one is another one I know he and then Mr. Jazzy
mara uchaza ngoba nemathuba emsebenzi wavulile shem
yeah shout out
for the young G's yeah
because so ngathorana I don't know I ain't
got spreading humors angi
spreading
humors labe kunabo who's that girl engiyamnanga ngimthanda Sima
okay Sima
yeah labe kunasima khona na Yanda Woods
okay.
and Zile sekune le yabo lona ngasiyakhe naye yabo
Muthahi ngasiyakhe naye
sele yabo who's that guy we was Hlophozi uhlala esihluthi nje
niyabona
namasenze nakhwida
lelo yakho masingabheka ilobo yabo le bekunabo bathumela pop-ups
senyalenye London
senalenye
na Shamiso na that guy
okay ngiyathi
bathini room what something like that
sekhona nalenye ngathi yabo nyalo ngasibenye ngathi politics rame politics ngasi nayi under
uyapusha shema
yeah but angathi utoyeto someone
athatha ngaye that's not fair ngazi usimine sengislime
yeah ngasi
ngoba mina ngifuna ngipushe up
and bamfake khona lapha beyakhuluma ndzaba ekhulumile ndzaba
yena
Jazzy khuluma ngendaba yang yakhe imbango nje lebekanayi Jazzy disciples imbango le
Jazzy disciples
yeah lo munye lo bekanayi lapha akhuluma ukuthi bacabaniswa yini nani everything nje bamfake khona nje.
Is it true ukuthi Zuma is dating Babe Sotum? Not Zuma former.
Yeah, ngiyambona Zuma mshubeyalo yeah. Lo kabili yeah ngiyambona lo mfana lo na
Resmadlisa.
Yeah, allegedly ngathi kunjalo because khona laba abanethithombe
boyithu khona yeah so khona
nyamalala
yeah after la
yeah I think they are why not
oh
nzo
isn't he way younger
no Babes umncane mos
Zuma nga
I don't know check 1954
atsisibuni
oh no mara Zuma umncane Babes umncane mos
1954 but there's a pet
oh sorry na Zuma umncane na I think mhlambe nzanga yami is younger than me is younger than me mncane Zuma mhlawumbe ngo 20 something I'm telling you
how not like kids cheese
angathi netebhot Jazzy Q ukhulumile lapha now he talks now I like his style
mina ngithanda ngalendlela agqoka ngakhona
yeah no ngimthanda
naye as a person akabhora yeah
banani ubuye ngathi uyabhora vele abantu abaningi kanti unestyle sakhe ayiwayo uyazi usayi na imali vele khona lakhuluma khona usena amechiya imali hayi ngiyalunga
unemali ne
yeah uthi yena unemali
oh base is 32
unangaki lo Zuma
I'm speaking from experience. I don't mean to brag, but hey.
What experience?
I met him.
Who? Babes?
Jazzy.
Oh, okay. No Jay-Z knows.
I met him ngisasebenza eCurtis.
Okay.
Curtis.
Oh, nabonana from a far or here near.
No, sabingelelana like ngani eCurtis. Uma bafika those DJs or loyo lebambukile for that day. Baya ne VIP lapho ufuna nibamixele lama drinks khona. Then that's how I met him. Wabingelela kahle. Siyabonga ama drinks endeni and stuff like that. He's 27.
Yabo simncane.
Mncane Zuma.
Jinzana kuyafana ntomkhulisa. Ntomkhulisa musi.
Mara le difference hayi.
Why not? Faith.
Mara vele sesiphila kule
vele inkinga yabo kusaba date nabodwana to the industry.
Why vele?
I don't know.
Umuntu akakhona iphumela ngapha. And
it's hard. I think it's hard sometimes. Bafika abantu abakuthi udate umuntu lengekho to industry. Njengabo Kabza. Kabza phela mfowethu wakhe industry.
Pop-ups.
Yeah, Pop-ups na mfowethu wakhe ngathi ke industry. Yabo McG, you understand. So
Marinini. Indaba.
Oh, Marinini. Yeah, manje so.
McG is one of the best, man.
Yeah, no, it's one of the best.
Nengoba abantu abaningi bayakhala ngaye.
No, vele bona ngibakuthanda bonke akasimali.
I know. Mara speaking kufana neya Jazz. Neya Jazz vela. Yeah, angeke mina ngifike ngingene agreement usavume. Show sislima ngimi kahle.
Yeah, tuzongwena siphuphu.
Ngwena slima sakho.
Yeah, people bayandana vele dilima. What can you say? Bayandana dilima utotsini. Angikutshintshe lokho.
Because ngasibhekunema sima nganayo sokule podcast nyami. Angizange ngibukela yonke but ngathi bekakhuluma ukuthi angizange ngibukela yonke vele. But bekasathi ukhuluma ukuthi what happened ukuthi aze atholakale. Apparently uxoshiwe.
Yeah, ngathi bathi waxoshela ukuthi waqhamuka athakiwe. Alleged.
Mara bayanathi lapha.
Kuzo kwasho sengikhohle ukuthi
ayendisense.
Ikhulume ngibani nenzaba leyo wathi McG made a mistake. Oh, ngikhulume ngathi who's this guy? Uthanza kubhesha abanye uyabeka lona manje ngathi
akusengisifiso.
Ukhona manje ku-TikTok ku-YouTube manje une page lakhe ku-YouTube ngikhohle sengibani. Ngigama ngathi hip hop nyana manje. Yeah, wakhuluma ukuthi McG when mistake lahla lo share lo yana blah 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 na. Slick talk.
Yanda Woods nazile vele. Ngani ngikhumbula ngathi bese bafaka Kanye Mazi.
Yeah, Kanye Mazi ngathi akekho musinayo.
Shows bekabebenda lo visit.
Maybe.
I understand ukuthi bakuxoshela ukuthi uthakiwe mara nalapha emsebenzini yona.
I don't know what's what happened.
Kumbe futhi ufika usobutha kwemsebenzini.
Yeah, I do.
Maybe that was
the agreement. Yeah.
Mara
yeah, no yena ayivakala.
Ayivakala.
Nangilona naye uvile naye ku-story sakhe sithelo. That's much. That's my image namfana. Michael Deep.
Sewende nje
No, there's a story about lo mfowethu wakhe likamshadile ukuthi bambone allegedly bambone ngathi analo mjita.
And actually it's not long, ne?
Yeah, it's not long. I think it's a month.
Yeah, kusitsala.
Lo mjita M4 blah 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 something like that.
Uyachisa shows medium.
Basho njalo ngathi allegedly kwafaka lo kwalo kwathi ngibamba lo ngikhuluma ngaye yena
Swiss.
Lo ngikhuluma ngaye nyalo ngithi What's my much man dona man? No, kasi man, yona loyo.
Yena loyo. Ay.
Wafaka lapha uthi umfowethu lona bambonile blah 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 blah. Sengathi team ya Vicro ya miyela ukuthi ngathi amsende email usicela ngapheli 24 hours I delete le clip nana. Kwaba uyelela futhi.
Kwabela kwasho.
Kwathi khona ngangihlanyeli mina angeke ngivukile ngidelete le clip maninkinga nami mama nongivule case nani bakuthi uyena ushada straight mate inkinga yami nini ungenelele na straight mate ungadate angayishada umuntu wamathathu uthenga ukuthi straight mate yakhuluma le wathi uthophelele 24 hours kumele nini next till today next
Show us une proof.
Yeah, shows ne proof.
Angeke azakhuluma sana unokufakaza. And shows babonile ukuthi ngaze kulikheke nale proof.
Yeah.
Akungcono vele bayiyeke.
Yeah, kuna proof ngathi kunesithombe bamkhomba ngathi vele
uyelo
from a distance nani yabashuthile vele M4.
Yabona nalama celebrity nawo. Nalento 2 months 3 months uyashada, 4 months 5 months uyashada.
Mara vele ushada wena mara uhlala international.
Uhlala ekhaya. Vele uthi kwenteke njani?
I think nalo kushada nako vele I think like kufuna ngathi uphiwe kube siphiwe manje umuntu uphiwe emadloti. It's just ukuthi vele
asabhili vele lo. Mara mina ngipili vele ukuthi umuntu ufuna umati. enough
before wathi umuntu dadi wena kucala
yes isho ngona ukuthi so ngiyadada ngesimene ufuna ngathi nami partner yami before
manje umuntu uyalunga phela makanambile amathi niyalunga phela nini manilambile
I understand
ngasengisusa ngaso
mara lenye into lelo bese seyabahlanyisa ngilabo in community babo mase angathi ukuthi basuke beva yiphi injabulo
enjabulo niyakila kitana nini
uva umnandi isikhathi ngiyimela ngala so in community kunika kwasani
basekonke
senkingeni kanti bona vele basayini until ebushali ukuthi uphuma nalo ngene nawo finish
limuntu ungene nani ne-iPad
akaphume nayo so when uphuma ne-mention uyophuma netindodla tetimali uyophuma netimoto within a month awuwa
kuzokasho njalo lokho lokuthi I know umshade usifuna umdivorce manje uyathi ufuna imali
ufune netimali katotithola ngenyanga you that was the shortest marriage I've ever had of
mara ngase kwadivorcanga manje
hayi mara phela njengoba sekende so kwathi bantu singaphila
mhlawumbe phela abantu babahlalise phansi but I know don't take rumors think that they are coming from the rumors
mara uyabona lento yokuthi into leto banika ipower ukuthi baphinze nefethu siyohlala phansi nemndini angenzawo usho ngakanani ukuthi lo mfati ngaphinzi even naye lo mathili soshaya lo cheating into yakhe naye Limpopo boy if atomcolele usho ngakanani ukuthi angiyaphinze problem phela ngileyo
that's the problem
kufana nendoda ngana uhlala naye ikushaya for the first time yapolisa ngiphinze usho ngakanani ukuthi angiyaphinze
ngoba hlala bashajiwe seswethu
mina bangibhora nasebafaka social media ngishajwe indoda mina ngicela uku-advise ukuthi kokuqala bangakushaya kokuqala number 1 ungasibhoni mina vele kuyangibhora shela uma ukuthi ucomfortable hlala
bakubhamule bakushayile abantu relationship abusive
no angazi nethi sengiyasho ukuthi yangithi le ndawo uyithanza why wena kukuthathe isikhathi sokuthi ufuna ukuthi uphume ematinyo kumbe utshekeliswe kumbe utsheke emlomo ukuze uphume imbama yokuqala is a sign ukuthi khulu okuzayo ngoba umuntu nakakuthanda
even noma ngasimbama nemagama la sinza dlula kushaya ukuthi awunalutho wena ninalutho ekhayeni yabeyisa
yabo uma sewutshela amagama phela songishaya ungibulele futhi lapho semina ngiyokujabulela njani ukuthi mina ngibidinga
nothing
yabona that's why vele mina baba ngifundisa ukuthi abona uma ukwatele umuntu whether is your partner a friend a colleague phambana naye kancane unejiso I know ukuthi kunzima ukuthi ukwende lokho but phambana naye nje ukhule off bese uyabuya ngoba uzophuma lapho uyamosha
fonini njengabafaki
ethi yasina so ngindo lesento sibashaya isikhathi lesi phela lomunye uthola ukuthi uthanzana na brothers uthulile akakhulumi and wona so uyalahleka
mara madoda velela ukukhuluma lafana nathi mancane
madoda lamaningi awakhuluma ukuthi that's why ubese so reactor fast kule sandle that's why nalomnye make vilakazi bekanokufika eshowini laba sisakhamake bekanokukhuluma ukuthi into lenda ukuthi lusha lanamuhla lingahlali emendweni awukhona ukunderstand the concept yokuthi husband wena ngihusband ngoba ukufaka iringi ngihusband ngoba indoda la endlini but mentally awukaka understand ukuthi mabathi husband basho ini uthi yena kunalomunye couple bekayi-counsel lo babe sokhuluma sebalapha counseling uthi mina ngina 6 months angisebenzi ngisho ukuthi bekasolo adla le mali le yasemsebenzini bo-UIF bo-ini ma-savings nanani lo mfata akakwati nokuthi uthi uvele wathuka ukuthi indoda yakhe ayisebenzi
mara uvuke kusani ngathi umsebenzi
every day for 6 months uhlala naye la endlini
usaba kukhuluma iqiniso le ndoda
usaba le nkanyamba hey ngathi angisasebenzi la
manje gcina ubaleka imali bisibashonisa
ilento iyalapho phela lento yasho ukuthi washo mayivela wazazi indoda mayibuya ihlase phasi babe bekunjani emsebenzini usebenze njani into lethi i-communication iyapha
ngiyanganini nesigangele nini bese nesigangele sesembogololo sesaba ukukhulumisa
lento lengisho wena phela ukuthi
namadoda phela mangahamba so mangahamba nomfati ngoyihamba so ubuka abantu
ekhayile indoda ibuke phasi
indoda yashajwa emadoda yashajwa ngaphandle madoda yashajwa
mina kwasho baba wathi wambona phi mfati lobhadlile lohlale likhathi lendoda ngoba you should trust your husband enough financially angithi ngoyilo hamba ayo
imali ngiyalungani bayindele ku joint
I understand ukuthi joint mara bakhona bosesi ukuthi uyohamba afike elikho aswipe 24 yebangani bakhe naye bothi ihlalela ngelikhadi lendoda
but signs of law akusimfati
ade
uyambona
sawa ignore
and ngila sebayidlisa khona ibhari
Yeah,
You
ukuthi
understand? So utohlakanipha.
sokuhlakanipha ngcono ngikwenze njalo.
Kunemakhaya ukuthi lo muntu bebadlala. Wasalwanteka. Wathi ngicela kuva.
Wasalwanteka.
So ngetinto lesiphunyule kude nathi thina labanye ukuthi hey lana hayi bekunyiwa ni. Yeah, so as a person in life you need to have your routine. Ukuthi mawuthi wena umuntu ukuthi uma ngeliviki uyathandaza, ngeliviki esontweni, ngeliviki ubamba siphutho, ngeliviki uyaphalaza. You understand? So if sekufika someone in your life awusakwendi kunye kwakhona lokho.
Yeah. Red flag.
Yeah, khona lokho wrong. You understand? Yeah. So umuntu kufuneka kuthole kulento lokuyichubeka ayede.
Sekufana lento yalabo bona mina anginazaba nebemjolo angikhulumeli bemjolo vele bemjolo sonke sehla sehari ngivele emjolweni yani vele imjolo.
Yeah.
Mara sekuba ngilabo sesi labo ukuthi sebahlamba latala amadoda. Uthola bhodi babo ekhaya uhlale nebangani bakhe nithi bayahlaba echamuka sentiyadini.
Emjolo.
Awugezi ini
uthawuna mali wena.
Uyanya sokuhlele nasekwani. And thina asibuka njini asibuka wena sesithi ngihlada. Awubayaleki ufuna ubuyele ekhaya ubuyala.
Nginento ukuthi kudzala bathi bacela kumbona. Sida ekhaya. Before ngicela seniyabhekana seniyamthisana because bafadi bayabonana.
Yeah, siyakhona ukubonana vele ukuthi
you understand? I investigate lapha ekhaya, you understand?
Yeah, ukuthi ukhule nasekhaya nenjani.
So sine siba nglabantu hayi ngamthatha and nami ngifundise kule mama mangena mama nganekona ikamera kangala ngenisa umbona from a curtain scene uzalo ngwaturjani loya hayi
leso sikhathi ushaya ibham shot lengane
umuntu akubuta atsikira senhlweni ekutsala nomuntu hayi mana nami ndobandana unongena ubu esikhathi nahlweni atsala athi yabona loya kwindomatana angakaze akhulume naye so you understand?
Yeah,
So into thina singatendi leto ukuthi ngithathe umuntu uyemixa tu abantu abadala even noma ngasibadala bakho bakudala umawude badala but mikize tu kubantu labakhulile labakhona bathi umbona that's why nemntwana bebengena ama DNA bambona ukuthi no
yeah bamba bambuka kayi1 bathi
lokho lo bacacisile mara ntokulingana
umuntu ofaka likawusi uhlala afaka likawusi sathi uthathe ngiyaqhubeka.
What's something trending before Sifa?
Yo wena, I don't know what's trending here.
Come on.
I'm trending. No.
What are you trending? I'm trending.
Oh, I got an invite.
Okay.
They are doing a blindness awareness. Showing that there's other organization doing a blindness awareness. So, bangicelile ukuthi ngibe part yabo.
Oh, shout out.
As a motivator or an MC.
When?
It's in October.
Where?
Epinar.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So the guys that are doing it bakhona ePinar. That's why it's a radio yasePinar. Angicela uyithwala.
YasePinar.
ePinar. So this people a lot.
Ne.
A lot ePinar. Nina nabo sinte umlalela ngithini.
Awuhlanga ngene siyadelana.
Ngala uyagroove ngala hey ngiyajudge. Hambe ungilaleli lokhona ngijudge kahle so ngilaleli. Ngoba lo munye ukutshaka ukuthi yeah, hey, uyashaya ngulalelele ngisungilalele ku usho lama live ku Facebook akusekungilalela ngabe live ngibona ku
ngeke kubona
ufuna ungilalele kuze wathi ukuthi vele what's going on
akafuna umuntu like I don't know why it's in the sibe so vele asilalelana sabotani it's like we just do for the sake of doing yeah we just yabona like just imagine ngiyamangibona like Facebook like TikTok I'm just looking bukas na yabo 1k my likes. But unsubscribe guys on YouTube.
Mara bato subscribe.
No,
it's encouragement.
Yeah, guys, please subscribe.
Mara no guys. The 1,000
1K, yeah,
like 1,000 likes.
1.1.
It's a lot.
Yeah, that's a lot.
It's a very lot.
And we need that 1.1. Ngalego subscribe.
Yeah,
no, when I don't figure, I'm going to discuss a corner. I'm going to check on that.
And nami uyakhumbula lento besenda the times beko mix ama pets yako dlala pam.
Yes.
The fact that we were subscribing. Nami nyalo ngaba before nemuntu.
Yeah, subscribe.
I don't know but sekuyinto nje
it's a norm.
Say la ingondeni yami even national nje national is endanjalo.
Yeah, no, we need to subscribe. We need to grow the station.
Yeah.
Mina ngifuna sikhuluma ngefone ukuthi bazi labantu bashaya 1K ngifone before my camera, before sponsors. Yeah, hey.
Mara mina ukuthi mina ngilomuntu lo mina I'm resilient shame. Ngithemba ngelilahle.
No, if you're a human being, you mustn't be that person. I'm that person every time, would say.
And I mean, most yabantu, laba they were not shocked mase babona someone radio.
Nah.
Laba ngatiko, but they were not shocked.
So, no video was
mina ngiyatshela ukuthi mina ngiso, mina vele ngiyakhuluma. Mina, angimandi ukuthi sihlale si15 nithule nonke ukukhuluma mina, angina problem.
Futhi masokuhlabe ngasingakubona.
That's why ngithi ngidothenga lekena ngasihlala ngaphandle ekhayeni.
Nethi ungikuva.
Yeah, ngitongehemela. Angawuphiza ngifuni.
Usho njalo. Ngiyahlala ngakufuna.
Yabo ngiyakhuluma yo.
No, kukahle.
Sometimes ikhuluma kuyayirelaxisa. Yeah, nenhliziyo. Yeah, into letinye ngibe right.
Kuyarelaxisa.
Kuyarelaxisa.
Kulona monile lona mna kwakhona bathi ngikhona ichuma.
Chiume.
Yeah, it's Chiume.
Chiume, yeah.
Mbone, awuyibuka podcast.
What's her name? Not is it?
I don't remember her name.
Luthando.
Yeah, something like
that. Yeah.
Yeah, she was talking, it was painful. And the podcast is too yakhe lena ever since
my. Yeah, ngike ngabukela yokucala bekana bani?
Bawakashonini.
Bekana bani? Khona la ngayibukela manje
bangivete. Bekana lungelo.
Yeah, bekana lungelo. Yeah.
No, bengilalela no
intention.
No, nganisolo istate yamakwakhe solo abasengarilivanga imali tamakwakhe.
Ashone shuru kudzala.
Yeah, but it's 2 years back. So tsengaphumanga and ufuna kubuyela states because ngalana ngasi ama deals akatholi yeah, states uthi ngathi vele bekahlala ngasi.
Bekahlala khona vele inokufuza ngathi ufunze khona.
So ngalana ama deals vele akatholi and ngathi namakwakhe bekarana something ngathi ukufundisa abantwana acting everything like that. So bebathola ama-deal government because mawabhekisa khona nyalo
akasathuli shows bebendela amakwakhe
yeah bebendela amakwakhe favor because they know ukuthi labantu be-ANC allegedly mabafuna campaign abanye baye ukuthi mabangabanayo phambili
yeah
is a face of what
yo mara yathi mina I believe ukuthi umuntu should be given a chance.
No, but
for talent yeah.
But
I would ngokuthi utalwa ngibani.
But yeah, loyalty. No matter ngani uyashuthela is a director what.
Ngisho kona ama gigs phela sho ukuthi bebamnika ngoba bekusaphila amakwakhe. Not because shows
bebangendeliye. No, besides believe bebendela amakwakhe.
Uyabo kusuhle njani?
And
selo umntana uzombamba kuzokuba iningi ngoba empilweni
kusemhlabeni for life. It was really painful and we are just khona ngayi anxiety nokumbamba khona uvote lesikhathi ngasadibulala
depression yalapha
yeah vele uyafisa like
mara 2 years indlela engakale babambile
I don't know
usho ukuthi bangena ko Presley kwende kanjani
I don't know
you never know
yeah uthi imali uyayithola because kunema rooms kumbe yini ngathi properties lamanye but hayi le mali lekayifunzela ukuthi angayenda yena self
abamniki imali amakwakhe mana babanike imali usebenzile nomuntu omdzala ababanike phela lapho akusahlupheki labantwana ngisho ukuthi you tarnishing the name of the person uma abantu abakhe batohlupheka but yena she left a legacy behind. It's not fair.
Yeah, it's really painful.
Yeah,
and
bona shows maybe bebajwayele kuphila that high life. Ngoba basaphila yonke into beyirana smooth.
Yeah, phela mama aliselephisi ngafona ukuthi we need help.
Uyasida inyalo lemali yamababa bethu basida.
And uthi into lebhlungu ukuthi those people lebe balapha emgcobeni wama wakhe the things that they were promising. Nyalo batholakala.
Utamini.
Ngicela
yo fethu. Shonela ngimaka utobona sipo. Angisho ukuthi babe akusibhlungu njani. Mara alikho lipheni libhlungu njengokushonelwa ngimaki. Yer. Umndeni uba khona bayakuthanza even noma senemi ingcwabeni bangakuthengela ama outfit bayinde ko in. Na uhlangana nabo ama complex nyalo babheka le ungazi uthi nasawubona. Maye mnike inshemba bafike kahle mina nyalo ubheka mina le. Mina shema grand you.
What caused that kind?
I understand mara
because manje besikhuluma ukuthi lento loyikhuluma ngemlomo wakhe you need to keep it.
Into lefuna uyena ngoba uvuka ene oqala angakucela into lefuna ukuthi angakucelanga isesi mina noma ngabe yini lo idzinga emine baningi lebayina ama promises shem noma ngabe yini lo idzinga
outside labanye bakhumbula
ngohlezi ngikhona ngohlezi bakhumbuta ireaction yami abangibona mina ngilendo lenhlali ngisho ukuthi ngilendo bengisho ngesiswami unale she's very kind, she's calm, quiet. Seswami ungalinye indlela. Yena kulomuntu noma ngahlangana nabo uyabajabulela nokubafonela abacheck. Mina shemsuka I cannot.
Pero wena
I cannot. Mina mawami ngishiya ngina 19. Namhla ngina 31. How many years lonke lo? Mina ngileminyaka. Solo wena mina ufuna mina solo ngilanzelela wena. Phela wena as an adult, as a parent, ngolo befuna ukhiphe ama promises akho lo wena kimi. Because mina ufuna ngikukhumbule.
Even if ungasakhona ingane yayo but ukuthi uye kwehlola enye ilanga uzivusele.
Usho ukuthi isibhekana nathi ngithe kutonibona uyabona loyo bhomane lo.
Washo wena musa.
Loyo bhomane lo. Washo enazange sakucela. So vele if ungulomuntu lonjalo iyekele ngize ngiba emotional iyekele lento leyo ukuthi no and ama empty promises just because someone is vulnerable. Iyekele ayisimnanzi because iyakha inzondo. Kakhulu iyakha ifana nami. Mina angifuni umuntu senyalo ngoba so ngibona career umntana says why uhlupha
and it tells them ukuthi phela career like ukuthi value getting millions lapha
besides uyabona noma ngabe ukuthi I'm just famous for ukuthi ngijayivile Sunbank so ungasho ukuthi umntana says because ukhohliwe ukuthi ngimntwana says over the years bengimntwana says le cancer sashonile ukwanela kungwatshwa i-relationship yami nawe yaphelela lapho ungabuyi kimi so
relationship bezibambe ngimama
umntwana shothi beyibambe ngophela ngoba nakho hambela akusana relationship onke ama promises gone down the drain kubhlungu kushonela ngimake and bani bathatha advantage yalo angiyini nje iyale vele nje iyangikhuba
no sasivala before ukhubeka sasithaze kuwe ama
ufuna ngihambe ngorights
no ufuna uhambe ugrant
right
uyohlaba
wena kushoniwe ngale khaya ngemlindelweni nyanyalo nje yabona ufuna lokho beyikhanya sho ukuthi sebayahlangabela
nithi nifaka Mkhelele ewot 2020
mina I'm not Mkhelele spokesperson
no mina ngikhulumela wena
mina yathi funny thing
bengaki bantu aba contestable ngale
ngone Mkhelele this other guy called Thabo passes I think maybe matmeo
no dlala la main road
noma
ngimasedis mhlawumbe
angadi labanye ayilabanye ngathi because yena vele nakhona ukuthi uya contesta ngabona ku Facebook
yena
Thabo uyangambona ku Facebook akusimuntu lekimjwayele
simpiwa contest ukuthi
naye ngabona ngathi I'm not sure but and funny enough angaze ngavota mina empilweni yami
noma ngaze ngivota
angadi ukuthi inzaba I just
angiboni ngiyovota I don't see myself
this time around
I don't think voting inayo power the way basitshela ngakhona mina esayidini amangihleli
yakuthi this time around I was tempted to vote
mina ngiboni vele
but I didn't
angeke angiboni ukuthi ngiyovote I don't think that's the reason I'm saying is I don't think voting inale power the way basho ngakhona because if laba run South Africa because in South Africa ndoda stop exchange isengisiwe vele so laba run South Africa laba inama decision proper decision for South Africa benge bavumele abantu bavote if kuvote kune power I'm telling you yabona mafuna bona power thani kube ne shutdown kulokho yonke into ngamove anything utobona ukuthi lelo lenifuna angeba balalele you understand nelo so go voter it's just a waste of energy and time you understand so balimata wonke umuntu every time makuthi nje mina bengifisa ngesingamne lelanga leliviki lokuvota ngalo but shutdown everything nisenithela abantu bahambisa labantu labo kuhamba lapha abahambeli abahambeli asivoti ebhoda ingakakhiwanga lo mzila lamabhiliyoni asaphumile lapha ebhoda liviki bangakuvala ngeliviki lapha ngabita amachina kuvala ngeliviki lokuyapha ngeliviki I'm telling you clean
ngaba into futhi le fast
ngani sina vote mama sivote nani akuhambeni everything I shut it down for 7 days full 7 days
mina yakuthi why ngavote number 1 angicabanga ukuthi ni-1 ngayinda lishintsho ngaleyo ndlela labanye bathi okujoka ukuthi akunaleli iphathi mhlawumbe beshoda ngelivote leli-1 lakho ukuthi iphathi ishoda ngelivote linye
psychology
bashamuntu lo-wrong
no they always do like that babantu labavele bakushamuntu nge-psychology every time if ungekuvote rdpn wasawathola
benginokuhlala phasi ngikude ukuthi okay lami livote belo wenda mehluko unini labathe khona i-ANC na 50 EFF na 49 bekushoda mina Oh, kude. So
psychology nje.
akubi choice yemuntu shaka ivote. And asikhethele umuntu ukuthi avotele bani.
No,
Vota ufuna umvotela mara.
we're not.
Vote with
Mina ngajabula vele South Africa bathi shut down lama party onke lakhona awaphume angeke konke kufollow ku party le-1 we tired of so parties mfethu. Le mali abafunda ngawo lama parties bebangafunda tikom nema-city lahluphekayo. There are many people that are hungry out balamba but maphathi ayadlondlobala. No, i-SDP ithatha phela le mali. We don't asking ourselves that question. With that person when he was in power, bekendani? Asakunyela sonke sigijimela SDP. That guy was an MMC. Uyendeleni ipinara?
Hayi labaningi bayasho ukuthi ubendele.
Yini yawondile. Okay,
wena provide lemisebenzi.
Le misebenzi ukuthi every month ubhadala i-monthly fee. Come on. Like ufuna sikhulume amaqiniso. That guy umoshile ipinara. Ipinara befuna bo intshintshile yena. Bekane power ufuna umtshintshi ipinara.
Ngilendo leyasho sabusabana yabona. Wayesimene bethu. Washo wathi
ukemoyeni uyikreke down ngokuthi lo mgwaqo semoyeni. Bekasola kufaka amakhampani akhe lapha nanani bekangena allegedly. Kusola ngena amakhampani akhe lo mfana Mongezi bayasola khuluma bambhesha nanani. But he was speaking the truth. Bekusola kufaka amakhampani le achamuka under yena allegedly.
Siyasaba.
Usaba. So allegedly makafaka la makhampani unahamikeza umgwaqo semoyeni solwakhiwe. How many
Marugcina phela
kuphi la nawo
phela neminyaka angathi ngagcina nini ngemoyeni.
Ngabe imoyeni yawo lapha how many people now bahleli phasa
abasebenzi
kuphuma itolo etikhulu lapha nyalo sekusemandiyeni emoyeni
yebo itolo tiningi letiphumile lapha
tiyaphuma naletinye entakhona emakusini
unobona angigcine edzala kuye but ngiyabona kuma social
ngani allegedly bathi yena lo comrade yena lo wasepinara SDP bathi allegedly ngani kufuna kube ne protection fee lo mnikazi wasemoyeni allegedly bekathi bekufuna abhadale kuye le mali bekasayibhadala so bebamdrega down ukuthi lo mgwaqo asola ngapheli ma-allergy story
the protection fee because you hire securities for protection. There are police for protection.
Akwadi wena siphinda ngibabhadale
protection. Ngivile lenzaba protection fee.
Na uyayikhuluma musiyena sabusabani bekayikhuluma.
Yebo ngike ngamu. Understand usiyani. That's my problem. Protect from what?
No, it's from gangsters.
Like who?
Like the gangsters of Pinar.
Mo gangsters are on everywhere. No lelikazi nema gangsters shows na sevuna skip.
No protection fee ngani.
Stop.
Yeah. Lelikazi
no ngihlala ku.
Uhlala eZulwini.
Wena mina shows.
La lelikazi nema protection fee. Mamuna kabhadala protection fee. Awumboni mamuna nema poison lamkataba.
Oh, you mean that? Mara basuka bangagcoka uniform nje. Side hustle.
But you know, Moscow, this one is a police person. And wenani ukata mamuni ukata tolo tamamuni neti tolo tamamuni leti hamba leti khona lama khaya leti nyeta khona tikatwa maphoyisa letinye ngitimoto states letinye ngitimoto states bathona ngeke bakunike lift mara bona babagade labantu so if ufuna kubona usininkingi hamba olusa mamuni utobona sona kutoyini kanani
shokuthi ngingaba
ngabe bakungenela landini bakukokotela awuba so feel because there are people that they are getting salaries every month from Mamun.
The rich are getting richer.
So
the poor become poor.
So if you are vocal like Usabu Saban, very manja, they close your gates. Back Valen.
For how long though? Marina, I'm closing now.
Yeah, no, very and sometimes you need to use very power and you yes. Now he never knew yes. Yeah, he never knew something like that. You understand?
But we are motivated somehow to speak out.
No,
very depend. We need to speak out.
No, I'm going to keep it keep out.
We are people.
Nyalubona kuilona imadlanga bengeke khona abemkhona zange so kusolo kudlala kudliwa imali commission
wena
every lo bekunabo zondo
yebo ishikwa zondo vele madlanga yenu akube ngcono
shemadlanga isikhombisile ukuthi good deposit namhlanje yeah good
deposit
so I mean that's why I'm so shocked about people yabona indlala is so dangerous now ngikhohliwe ngaye yena le comrades le lapha SDP leti story leti alleged stories ngaye leti ngaka le basuka bakhuluma ngaye now nyalo so SDP yongisingcwana ne SDP
and
question
besides yabona bantu mamenemene angeke kube limenemene njengemuntu bakhona lebe bathi bakhona lebe basamjikele kwanaye sebakhuluma kabi ngaye in lo bakukhohlakele in khana wile lo bakukhohlakele nyalo iSDP sesitupid
sengibo indlala
nebumenemene kazi sonke silambile asibi mamenemene
yabona if ungakhoni kumelana nendlala
utoba nenkingi
that's the reason bengikhuluma na someone else le podcast sikhuluma ngesejele ukuthi athi ejele mawufuna kusurvive ufuna control indlala yakho ungathathi
into tebantu
that's the reason nebantu nyalo bathanza into tebantu there are people lapha ku SDP before they out the Rockman lapha ku SDP allegedly bekabanika amathenda bese bekufuna out of the blue asufuna imali and ufuna uphume empedeni uyomnika imali
ngapha usekhala kulele nemkakho
you understand so wena ufuna sikusabe that's the reason bobuke labantu laba ba arrogant mabafika kulabanye abantu bafuna kwenda lento lebabayenda ku
yeah
you understand
yes
baba arrogant
ne mechanism ingqondo yakho seyichanelekile ukuthi
generation to generation vele
nama ngifika ufuna ngibe la
boss yabo
umuntu imoto ila sohluleka usasidlazi lapha emotweni sifuna bokuthathela
bayifika imoto yakhe khawashi nemthatha
ikinelo tonke
sayena masombona hamba nalo lo mdzala kamsabako yena semntwana somhlonipha njani yaba sineboss
iboss nayo
neboss so in life lento leyo kumele kufuna ikwene lento leyo ngiyena ku Christianity naku kaNkulunkulu nako ukuthi uNkulunkulu wakho ngole kusisabe wena uhloniphe wena ngesisi nathi kwalento yamhlabeni uyiboss yakho akufuneka umuntu ekufika athi kutshela usona njani ngobona ulambile
ngathatha advantage endlela yakho
gede so there are people
and enjoy le ndlela likho shema alikho
libuya ku nanyama ke ntombi lapha uyaphekela abantwana lapha
impilo yaqhubeka wakathoshi umuntu futhi
so sineshashwang lokho la leli vele siphila ku that's why amajida yena bathi bawa
ngale timoto nani lifestyle bayiphila ngokuthanza
tinto thina social media
cabanga uyogula ufe
social media
ufungwashi futhi nale tinto bangicanga ngoba atsito tabo laba lo munye drive imoto yes drive wangu imarasiyo yakhe
so inkinga ngileyo mina vele that's why ngivukile ngivotile
akungafuni
angengivukile ngisabe umuntu angengivukile ngihloniphe umuntu ongahloniphi yena
yeah that's why respect is earned not demanded
because mina uyangicoka mina Rockman anginankwali naye nami angishoka nakwali naye but iningi into takule ngathanzi ngayo first angeke ukuthi ushonile wena your campaign elonini yakho what's that
ingcwabeni
ushonile mfethu bani balimele usitshela ngepolitiki emgcwabeni
yeah that's not right
no that's
namasiko yabona ukuthi sawalahlekile
ngoba emgcwabeni vele nje ukuthi these people bemuntu webantu wena uthi usicampaign man come on mfethu bani nesimpatho
bani
nebuntu yabona ukukhulume lokho after ngakhathi sisimati ma-10 day after test but not on the spot nayi casket lana nangimile lana ugqokele isikipha sakho uze umbone lona ashonile nginosi sigijima naye la SDP na thina lo muntu lona come on dog no man some of the things no asibe ne sympathy and thina abantu siyakhohlwa ukuthi noma ngabe namabhillion wena na if you don't have people next to you amabhillion they're useless that's the reason the ANC nyalishacho because people basikhathatha
baphumile kuselele imali bantu baphumile
you understand so that's the reason if now you are a councillor making big singamkhelela if they see ukuthi unelmas bathi umnika yonke into lengayifuna bamthekana nemoto kusasa kuseni bangasinga gogo lokula wena nani bafuna kumlo because bafuna
something to hold on
bayokuyuza mase bacathile mase ibuyele imazi bakulaqasa
ngibile yaqhubeka
ahle sikhuluma ngaloko ngihlale ngikhuluma ngaye ngaphazamisa beka kuye kumandla baba emandla lethu
I don't know what happened I wish to know
you see his life nyana is so miserable impilo yakhe ivisabhlungu life yakhe is so painful and akusilula ukuthi angafika ku platform lefana nale athi guys ngibetrayile bantu because nama I was needy I was hungry yabona sometimes ungakafika do admission angeke kulunge understand network relationship ishatshwa ngiloko
yeah awufuni kuvuma ku-wrong
no
you're always right
yeah so sometimes you need to say I admit
mara into le understand ne because ngutela abangani bami laba labahlali ma-15
yeah
uthi okay kani yena Simphiwe akasasilkhansela yini
ikhansela but naye self akasanayo the confidence ukuthi acedise le term lekanani because it's already crashed
besikhulumela indaba yale gezi ukuthi okay anagezi for 3-4 months mara likhansela li on the other side of the street
angeke naye even in herself uthi feel ukuthi sekude kunaye you get what I'm saying yabona
ngibona ukugwala
eish
angisilendo wayivuma ukuthi uzoyikhona
mamen
akaqedile sekuphelile mosi
yakunjani
sekuphelile
yathi njani the way ingakhona le game le politics nako konke kuma ANC le bakuthanza mawusashine
and
this guy was shining
everyone's favorite. Everyone's favorite.
Before even angena politics, he was vocal. Legama laphazamise liqhamuka la because he was that guy was vocal. Was very vocal. Bangifaka ukuthi vocal umuntu uthi uyaphazamisa vele. You understand? Bamendani? Bamdestroy. Fast. Lokuthi if you are used to mina myself, I'm not used to money now. You understand? If mina now I'll get every month dark or blue for 5 years, I'll get more than 25,000 per month. I'll be changed. Nontshintsha.
Yeah. Bakhuluma manga bathi mina
angeke ahlala ngikhana nontshintsha my brother. Lo Sinta, ngikhana nontshintsha. Ngikhana la kana moto nyana. Ngikhana ahlala kai kuphi? Angeke ngantshintsha. My brother, I'm telling you, this is money. I know money. Imali yamtshintsha umuntu.
Umuntu ungathi untshintshwa amaholo, emiye 4,000, 5,000. Ubomnaka makuphela inyanga kukhulumiseki. Angabingelele.
Angabuka abantu base Rubex, abasebenzisa Rubex nyalo emgwaqeni. Abasebenzisa Rubex lebe ngasona ngasebenzi bayahleli ekhaya. Umbuka ukuthi makaholi njani. Umbuka lena ngikhathi kuphela umsebenzi wase Rubex usikhanda umuntu umuntu njani. Yangahle umuntu lo ngantshintshi lo muntu ekayijwayele. Imali ayijwayeleki. Imali ayijwayeleki. Imali ikwenda lo ngiko kona imkhiphe la.
Yeah, lobuwena.
Imkhiphe kuwena bakho. So mina ngiyamove abantu. That's the reason ngibabide ukuthi mina no, this is a platform. Hlala la sikhulume. Sikhulume nalesikhathi ongenile position ukuthi into let's make an example. Nangithi McKenzie bakhuluma ngabo bomeeting everything. Because this guy besim campaigner simbide lana ad. Akuyedinga basabahambi before network asendelutho. Money changed. Imali yamtshintsha mfethu. Imali yamtshintsha. I know man. Miyayathi imali mina bengithola 2019 ngithola more than 30,000 per month. I was changed now. Ngiyayathi imali. I'm changed imali. Yangasenza ngibuyela kule simo lenkuzo because imali ngiyayathi. Imali yamtshintsha umuntu.
Mara mina ngihlangisho ngesibasiba sibantu uthola irevenue. Ngabe wena ini? Mina ngokuhlapha sithi kunisi mina mangangena 1 million duke account yami ngihleli nawe la.
Lo podcast ngokuyisa camera lokuphumela.
Ashiya kwakhula.
Yeah.
Ngiyabonga nakuya emnyango imali ngenini.
Ngenhlanhla ukuthi singiyabonga. There are few people labakho imali ingilemnye moya ngokwabo. Yabona ungakhona control umoya wemali. Ucedzile. Ungakhona control indlela yakho. Ucedzile. Understand? That's the reason ukuthi mina besikhuluma ngale Limpopo boy ukuthi lento leyayo makasi lo muntu it's a ritual. Angeke ngiphikise. Because batshela abantu we can make you and we can destroy you. Labantu baphethe imedia kokuqala.
Number 1. Yeah.
Baphethe imedia lula.
Fast.
Clean.
Say viral food.
You understand?
But we delete update.
You understand? That's the reason McChikas masi bambesha Julius Malema. Anga utilele la show yakho athi angeke ngimphendule mina. Because one thing mangimphendule ngiyoba ngene mistake because nyalo lo muntu nyalo esiphakamisa ukuthi sina sibone. Ukhuluma ngawo ngama podcast because now is running out of his mind. Akasathi uthathini because uyayibona ama platform lawo amwisa yena. Understand? So these people that they giving money bathi ndoda ambukhuluma ngalabantu lawo. Bami-use. This guy you can tell because he's not in on his senses. Then the younger guy
naye ngasikhathi akativa.
I think nomambhalela speech like confused. Bamnika imali uthatha 1 point something million billion. Uyagula bathi ndoda hamba khuluma. Angeke sithi i-country yonke ikhuluma ukuthi bantu abahamba ukuthi wena bantu bangahamba. You can tell with this person bam-use. You understand? So
in the beginning bekunguye naye lathi
that guy ukhuluma yonke into esikhathini esiningi ukuthi ito ikhuluza labo bantu labamfandayo. Mase South Africa is
yeah
bamnikele imali so yena stay down South Africa siyaqhubekela South Africa ingaqhubeka ngale nto leya yena so against yona ngoba
sebamthumile sebamnikile imali tholile kufunako
so bamuse this person
mina ngikhumbula bathi much too much every Thursday what happened
ngasipasa much kule nyethi indzawo
yeah
lethi indzawo phela ukhumbule ukuthi these people they are smart abantu abafana nabo president and we talking about money imali indistractile le meeting yona noma ngabe zange ube nemali le meeting ukuthi le idea le yaqhamuka nalo says le Jacinta ukuthi kube nematch and match ukuthi yena zange bekhona lapho le meeting it was something else noma ngathi ba justify bona noma ngathi ba justify bathi yeah thina vele besihlangana sodwa vele thina nje but uzama justify into lengene because even yena phakela makaphuma lapha it was not phakela the same
lesimatiwo lo that's why thina sisibabanikile imali ayikho into lengavala umuntu umlomo ngaphandle kwesithombe sikamufi
so it tells you ukuthi kurana kuwisa isystem you mustn't be in the system
and you mustn't be failing to control your hand
you understand so baba destroy bashaya irule and divide lokho
eningenile phela
clean sephelile phela aseva thi noma ngabe sendeka ayiseva
babuye futhi abanye namhlanje ukusebalendile basendleleni babuye lebe babathi abahambi vele phela emoyeni and it's so ngitshela lento lengikhuluma ukuthi ngikhulumela abantu abaningi ukuthi basiboye vote this year bovotela mine ngibehle ngibekise ngami uyovotela mine lenganalutho nemntwana angimondli makumntwana ngikaze ngimteka ngamloboli ngihlala ekhaya kithi angithengisingwa la khaya nginalutho uvotela mina sothola isalary every month netshotsho tulu nemathenda makaphuma ehoti nami ngiyathola ngithola amakhadi nani ungivulela nini igede for 5 years ukuthi mina ngibe rich ngisuke into okuncetha wena there's no such so umuntu lofuna umvotela my brother or my sister vula mehlo akho kucala ungavotela inkosana ngoba inkosana ivokala and do not vote under the influence of alcohol please
yeah ukuthi mina ngithatha
tshwala so yavota no votela umuntu lombonako ukuthi lo uyadeserve kuba likhansela uyadeserve ukusitha phakathi ngaleyo mali lato
listen up here Cynthia ne bande kufuna sibavotela umuntu lo yatika imali lo ibambile imali lo nayo imali you understand hayi le mali yabo Ramaphosa ukuthi besathuza ukuthi Ramaphosa nanani ngikhulumela lokhu afforda
yeah ukuthi uyadephilisa
une business citizens yamati ngibabe zibanibani unelisonto unemfati ukusela zibanibani sabantu bakhe ibehavior yabo siyababona uyakhona uyicontrol ihousehold yakhe before sokucala ukuthi somvotela siyambona lo muntu siyamathi ukhulela mphakathi lamangweni wangakithi sibuke yena usikhulisile thina sinjenje ngala ehodini lethu siyamathi babe loya masibita ama meeting uyedwa mangethi ukuthi umntwana akungethi yena ukuthi umfati wakhe
manje yo wakuba khona kanti manje vele ngama community meetings
sokhuluma yini sokhuluma ngakuthi endumbeni ngishaya 6 to 6 oh manje ngeke mina ngeke ngimvotele
sekude nema CPF
mina ngeke ngimvotele Mpumla
why
ngimvotela kuthi ukuthi every time makune campaign ifuna selapha isitolo sakhe sodzakwa khona ukuthi sikhuluma ama campaign
awumari
uyabuda no usita ngoba uya campaign akasithi ngokuthi ufuna usita ngoba kunesingwa lapha ungasithi ngoba uthi kunesingwa somewhere sita ngiyiva lamalana ngikubalela be a pastor ngiyabekisa ukuthi ngelo pastor lesibala yena ukuthi udle umfati womuntu legit you understand ngiyabekisa ngisho ukuthi ubani pastor but bani neliqiniso sibone livisible iqiniso lakho kuthi abantu babezibani bangesebenza spotlight for many years waphuma embesheni waba netimali nani mara sikazi ukuthi udle mako kamakhelwane
yeah asikazi simbona edzakiwe
asikazi simbona edzakiwe asikazi molo ukuthi uyanatha tshwana asikwati lo uyahlaba mara maka lapha endlini asikazi sibona umfati wakhe ahambe kamakhelwane okhuluma athi ngizaba thatha indodza yakhe asikazi babona abantu ababo bathe bamithisa ngoba sibani banekuhlaba asisho ukuthi bantwana
abamithi yeah
but le ngihlonipho asiyibone from like high
before iphumela ngaphandle
angeke uholde iwodi nangakhe emakhaya household mohlula ekhaya lakho usahlala ekhaya kini ngiyovotela wena uhlala ekhaya kini makuphuma ama-RDP wena uthola ama-RDP unede bangani bakho uwathengise ama-RDP how many councillors athengisa ama-RDP
une-enga
no angina-enga ngitshela abantu ukuthi abebe wise mama-voter don't vote for the sake of voting yabona a leader ne a leader athingi ukuthi mina ngifuna ungivotele a leader
iyakhethwa
ibitwa isekhalayo ingadusi nefuna
okay man there's something that I want to ask you uyabona kuwo onke la candidates
yes
bonke bayafana shozo nothi singavote ngoba kula candidates lele sengwabonile mina already ukude babolikhaya kude lona emfati sewona kahle shozo ukuthi singavote
yes uthi asamani siceleni phasi la le line esamba ngalo li wrong litshekile mina sithi that's what I'm saying uthi lento le I wrong yonke vele le concept we wrong ngoba I wrong yonke asingavote ukuthi wena ANC singavote ukuthi EFF no singavote ngalento le azivoti ukuthi umuntu vele uyayideserve lento le ngiyathi a leader awuyikhethi ayidikhethi yena usicela imfakela ile so inenze khalayo ukuthi ebabese bantu nabo 5 bobabe la kumbe 5 bomali lesibatiwe ukuthi labo asebafuna abase aware loba aware sine simamember emphakathi ukuthi ase ward 19 sichamkile ne concept sathi sine si strong sathi vote isivocal asibeke imali abayi5 kumbe abayi10 masicela siyakubo labantu sebakokotela say that's ngokufaka uthini hayi nana siyambonisa uyavuma kavuma sisimara sikufakile njalo kubonke labantu mase siyabuya thina siba nalabantu abayi10 siyaba group together sicela bona sibanika le
platform futhi
you understand
yeah I get you
a leader there's a never benzimanzi lapha endasi lapha ukilongela ebukansela zanga last even 3 months you know why he was not part of the system but angimkhona was step down so ngiyamfuna ngifika kumfaka kule platform le advise abantu ukuthi nina lento leliyibona lapha nicabanga ukuthi lula nje ngoba niyibona from outside inside kuyashisa besina councilor Mbobo samfaka councilor Mbobo afaka ngisi lapha I'm one of the people ngihlale ngikhuluma lento le ayikuthi ngiletha lelo he changed because mamina bamngcolisa bamngcolisa lapha the agenda lebesiphusha
sekuphuma edzakeni sekunzima
councilor Mbobo beyenda i-meeting yelikazi yonke ayi1 anyala kakhona kwele ward lakhe le1 bamdestroy bamcetsile and now he's part of the system we see in front of our eyes is building mansions indlu yakuthenga lapha siyabona allegedly ukuthi lebathi indlu yakhe uyithengile le indlu yakhe naye use namsengisabeleka sikhwama sami ukuthi mangiphuma la
ibe grand
the clips ngayathena if nganjonjo 2 million meaning grant the clips but bafuna umfaka kulo ku-term 3 why because there are people bamsebenzisa ukuthi badla ngaye now it's part of the system yeah so we don't want a person who's part of the system we want a person who's going to be saying guys ngibuya to meeting ngimthume kuyo le ngiyanyiwa ngicela shamine yoshisa we want a person like that longekho ku political longekho political
influence
so it's one of the things ngisolo ngiphathela man that's the reason ngifuna ke care radio it's one of the things ngimachela abantu guys isina motivate ukuthi lo mfana usane spirit nani we don't atsing spirit i-cancel atsing spirit ubone abantu bakho babitawo lapha phansi grounding lapho to check around le
road yeah
we want a person like that one ukuthi lo muntu omzala nifike nimreportele naye ahamba khona kuyibona lento le mina ngaba inyalo ngibe nemandla nana makungena bo 25000 per month Mandla, senginemali sengicabanga yonke imali. Senginabo stay queen, Jordan ma stay queen. Angumfana weCouncil waseThekwani. Beka ku. Beka eThekwani mase Council waseThekwani ngemanga.
Behla ku.
Bese khona icar nestate kumedrobheni.
Oh yeah, I remember ukuthi bathi wamuva.
Wafaka ngobani? So we need to be no, ungamfaki umuntu olambile. And ungamfaki umuntu lona if kahle sibe kusenga music. Abantu abacula music lesikhathi alambile uqhula kamnanzi kulo sikhathi kanemali ukhathi kanema sosixoxela ngemali we don't want that
le khansela nemali sokucula ngemali
sokucula ngemali ukhuluma ngeRolex Rolex akhe ngichaza ngiquest abambutile le interview kaze alona was why wena ungakhuluma ngemali wathi no there's no need for me ukuthi ngibe nemali
siyambona ukuthi unayo vele
you understand there's no need ukuthi mina ngibhizi ngikhuluma nemali wathi mina bakubonile una my soul nana wathi mina ngifisa imali my soul is too much angikhona we control
you
understand so it's one of the we need people we have people like lokushini laba ukuthi singabafaka isiko sibane ba strong you understand but angeke babe visible ukuthi bathi azifakani mina
what if naye uyafakeka aphize naye abe date
makabe date yena that's why phela masiba date kanti thina we need a person ukuthi abuye asitshela us guys mina ngiyahluleka ngicela ningikhiphe nje angiyakubekisela ngababizi manje waphumela
washo
we need a person who's unemfati babe lo mzalo lokhulile ukuthi lo ngibabe ukuthi ukhulile ukuthi lo ngeke unemabhizinisi akhe urana into yakhe abantu abakhona basebenza well off bakahle ukuthi angase uyayibona nento ukuthi bamfake wena us guys ngicela ngikhiphe mina ngikhona we need a person like that one but all these people lesifuna kubafaka lapha angeke bavume ukuphuma mase bangenile lapha angeke bavume ukuphuma ungavuma ukumkhipha umkhelelo wena ukuthi athi yena wathembisa usena into yena lokhu nalokhu mase kathi mase mfakile lapho atevuma ukuphuma angeke bavume ukuphuma yoyilani yothatha le mali ayisebenzisa against wena yothatha abantu bakhe majabhane madlapha nanalamfakile ladla ngayo asimcela nubulala nyoni
idileni nalo
yanyoni yangiphazamisa la bungula ngifa
mafinyalo
no ngiyabekisa I'm just making an example
safuna sibe nemali
no asivale Cynthia uyahamba uyele ekuthandazeni wakhe mina if ukhelela ngeda next week shout out to me angeke I know angeda tozikhona into lemshisako ngiyafuna kuyi-expose
trust me
Themba okay Themba in closing
ngiyabonga Shem ukumema again and Shem anytime
no bengithi like I got a lot of things efuna sikhulume khona letindekalayo on our society
next week sifuna sende ekseni
and it's tough
because I'm going back to my slot.
Oh, to your slot, yeah. No, next week it doesn't. I'm not going to part of your slot.
No scarf.
Sure.
Tuesday.
Anytime. It's up to you.
But Tuesday. I think Tuesday would be better.
Yeah. No.
You know why? This minute udot.
As you told me before we started shooting, yes. There's something. That's the reason. If there's something, you have to expose. You can come. But
okay, mina ngalendlela ngiyibone ngakhona. It's not because there's something lemshisayo. It's because ngilendo lebe ngisakutshela yona ngithi bakhona abaningi aba approach about my sanitary drive.
Yes.
Le bangazange bangithathele inhloko.
Okay.
Umuntu angathi ukuthi why lokuthi angathi
ufuna
Thomas ufuna ngikholwa ngokubona awufuni ukuthi ndiqale ngawe no wena ufuna kuba imlandzeli all the time ufuna kuba ifollower i problem le indayiqale ngawe na uthi ukuthi phela nize nento so
ilandzele mina
exactly so naye utoda ngoba sobonile abantu bayede nami sobonile khona I think he watched the episodes because I told him about it
stobona ngaye
on Tuesday.
Yeah, no, let's wait for him. Singamdoubting.
Sinike ithuba. Sonke senzinga ithuba. Wena ngiyacabanga umnika 100 chance nyalo. Usomnika amathuba lamaningi.
No, mina kendele mina, utendela yena.
No, ngisho ukuthi nganibomba idilo ngathi aveli.
Yeah,
wena solo mnika lamathuba.
Yeah, no, this is a platform for people. That's the reason is Askhulume. Let's talk. You understand? Askhulume anything. What's on your mind? What's happening in the world? You understand? So this platform it talks about it one day now.
You never know.
You never know.
Yeah, shout out to you, Shane.
No, shout out to you too. Why not? Yeah. No. No. Sneaker wash banbalesa amateksi so khona kufaka something khona kubantu bahlafune something is better than
charity begins at home.
Yeah, charity must begin. Yeah, no, but this
and ukutshela mama wakho mathi gross ukuthi afake nini
so now we need to you think about the ndendo yakho yalabantwana that's why we need to do it a lot. Yeah, kuna push that one young things now.
We also need Inzao, but we'll talk about it.
Yeah, no, we'll talk about it. Hamba nalo imphako udlale
yabakhomba ukuthi hambani asikhulume kuyadliwa.
Yeah, into khona kukhuluma kahle.
Into khona kukhuluma kahle.
I know say bad.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah, no, you welcome.
Ningilaleleni please 107.3 megahertz ngefrequency yethu leyo.
Yeah.
www.ganyamazane.fm.co.za website top right of your screen press play sesibambene nyangena Monday to Friday. The exclusive power drive from 3 to 6 angihamba ngedwa ngihamba nenja yami ngikanyamba a tornado, so please do tune in. Please follow and subscribe.
Please subscribe in YouTube Askhulume podcast. Please siyabonga.
Thank you.